Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how to use a platform and AI tools to create your own token on the Solana network. Quickly, easily, and with no coding. I'll show you how to launch a working token in just a few minutes, one you can use in a community, for gamification, or even as part of a monetization strategy. No technical knowledge is required. Just follow the steps I'll walk you through. And if you find the video helpful, please support the channel by subscribing and hitting like. Before we start, this video is not a financial advice, so please do your own research first. Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to use a no-code platform plus AI tools to spin up your own token on the Solana network. Quickly, easily, and with zero coding. Even if you've never touched Web3 before, by the end you'll have a live coin and the confidence to iterate further. We built this guide for anyone eager to break into crypto, leverage powerful public tools, and launch projects without waiting for a developer. Think of it as your on-ramp to the decentralized creator economy. You'll see me deploy a fully functional token in just a few minutes, the kind you can drop into an online community, weave into a game, or use as a clever monetization layer. No technical background required, just follow along. And if the walkthrough sparks ideas or clears up confusion, please support the channel by hitting like and subscribing. It costs nothing and helps surface this knowledge for other curious builders. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Navigate to launchonlunch.io in your browser. The interface is refreshingly clean. Connect your Phantom wallet and you're immediately prompted to configure a token. No hidden menus, no confusing jargon. We'll start with a catchy token name. Scan trending lists on DEX trackers for inspiration. Playful, punchy names get traction. Choose something that's already on hype, then lock in a symbol, ticker, that's short, meme-friendly, and unmistakable on price charts. Click Generate AI Picture to create a logo in seconds, or upload your own custom artwork if you're feeling artistic. A recognizable icon boosts shareability, so don't skip this. Step 2. Dial in token parameters. Total supply. I recommend 1 billion. Big numbers let everyday users feel like whales, which fuels engagement. Decimals, 9 is typical on Solana. AI description, 1 click and ChatGPT drafts a snappy elevator pitch. Polish or personalize as needed. Next, flip on advanced options for credibility. Replace metadata address, point to a well-known wallet. This tricks bot scanners into thinking a large holder is already on board. Revoke freeze authority, revoke mint authority, revoke metadata, update authority. Those revocations prove you can't secretly mint or lock tokens later, reassuring early buyers that the contract can't be tampered with. Press create token, approve the low-fee transaction in Phantom, and in under a minute your asset is recorded on-chain. Congratulations, you just minted a coin. Step 3. Create a liquidity pool. A token without liquidity is like an e-commerce site with no checkout button. Head to Radium or cost-saving alternative PumpSwap. Paste your token address. Specify how many tokens and how much SOL to pair. 0.5 SOL works. 1 SOL is better, but choose what fits your budget. Set slippage to 2% so early trades clear smoothly. Click Create Pool and approve. Within minutes, your coin appears on DEX order books, ready for real-time trading. Open Radium's chart tab. You'll see the first candle print as soon as bots detect the new pair. Step 4. Understand rug pull temptation. A word of caution. With a single remove liquidity click, you could drain the pool and strand holders. Yes, it's technically simple, but it shatters trust and nukes your reputation. Sustainable projects lock some liquidity or gradually withdraw only after clear communication. Play the long game. The market remembers honest builders. Fast recap checklist for you. Install Phantom and fund with SOL. Launch via launchonlunch.io. Name, ticker, AI logo. Revoke permissions for trust. Create liquidity pool on Radium. Today's daily market volume is approximately $15 billion. Copy trending tokens like I did gives you a large boost at the start, but if you're planning a big global launch, then here's some marketing steps I'd do. Promote, memes, story tags, community posts, monitor volumes, decide on partial or full exit when targets hit. Simple, fast, repeatable. Meme coin building is less about code than creativity. You're the dev, strategist, and storyteller all at once. Iterate quickly. Tweak supply, refresh branding, test different launch times. Each cycle tightens your instincts more than any tutorial ever will. Visibility is fuel. Post updates, run giveaways, team up with micro-influencers. Good projects die in silence. Average projects moon with loud communities. Most important, enjoy the ride. The volatility, overnight pumps, inside jokes, and viral TikToks are what make this niche fun. Whether your coin rockets or fizzles, you'll walk away smarter, faster, and one step closer to that breakout success. If this guide helped, share it with a friend who's still sitting on the sidelines. One share can spark 5 new builders. Will you craft a meme masterpiece or flip a quick profit? Either way, you're writing your on-chain resume. Hit like, subscribe, and keep experimenting. Web3 rewards execution. The next big trend could start on your phone this weekend, so grab your wallet, unleash your creativity, and mint something wild. The decentralized canvas is wide open. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.